My name is Zubair Ahmad. I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I completed my BE in 22 from Bangalore College of Engineering and Technology in ECE branch. After my graduation, I struggled a lot to get a job from almost 1.5 years due to lack of skills. After losing all hope, my friend suggested me to join some skill course. While searching about course, I came across IIES, so I connected with IIES and joined their embedded system design and development course. They taught me from basic and I learned many modules such as C, C++, Python, DSA, embedded C, ARM and Linux, and I got hand-on experience on LPC 1768 and 8051 microcontroller. Placement team start giving me placement opportunity from second month of my joining, which helped me a lot. And finally, I was placed in Mirafra Software Technology after 5 months in C++ as a C++ developer. I would like to thank all IIES faculty members and placement department for their support and guidance. I recommend IIES for all the students who are struggling to get a job due to lack of skills. Thank you.